This video is about shower curtains currently on the market, what they're made of, followed by a crass commercial message about our new shower curtain liners, which we think, of course, are better. Now, most shower curtain liners are made from what they call PEVA. I'll explain what this is in a minute. The common denominator is that they have weights and they have grommets so that the shower curtain doesn't fall off the hook. The other thing is some say that they have this antimicrobial treatment, some don't. I've talked to some Chinese manufacturers who really believe that PEVA by nature is antimicrobial. So, what is PEVA and how did it become the material of choice? Well, vinyl has fallen out of favor and the material of choice is PEVA. Okay, what is that? It's ethylene vinyl acetate, which has been around since the 60s. Somebody put the P in front of it and it became PEVA, is the acronym. Really very simple. It's you take your basic C2H4, C2 for short, marry it up with vinyl acetate monomer, which is this here. This plus this equals the polymer of ethylene vinyl acetate. Now, ethylene vinyl acetate comes in varying percentages, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so forth. 6% is what the percentage of choice is for the Chinese manufacturers. The shower curtains which have the grommets and the weights are not recyclable, even though the basic PEVA is, because it's got the metal. Recyclers don't really want it, and the consumers are generally not going to take the time to cut the metal off and dispose of these two components separately. Alright, so what is different about our shower curtain? Well, for starters, the raw material is post-consumer. The consumer is not curbside, but it is reclaimed from the back of grocery stores mostly. It's stretch wrap, it's discarded shrink wrap, bubble wrap, foam, 6-pack rings, and what have you. It's all mashed up and homogenized by the good people at Avant-Garde in Wallace, Texas. The material is so strong that we don't need the grommets. You can see I didn't even put all the hooks in here. That's because through a trick of the trade, we oriented all the molecules in the machine direction, so they're lined up this way. So you think about string. The other thing we do is we add some virgin material for stiffness and processing. And what this adds up to is a material that's so stiff that we don't need the weights at the bottom. So here is a recap. Now this is printed on paper, so it's rather fitting that it rained today. So you get the basic idea. Now there's 3 ways you can buy these. You can see here probably we have these perforations. To keep the cost down, what we've done is we've done as much as we can right off the extruder, which means that we put the holes in register and the perfs, so that the next step is to have the shower liners taken off of the roll for online and consumer. But if you want to buy them just as roll stock on the hoof, we can do that. They're about 70 pounds per roll, 70 liners on a roll, and they're about $3 a piece. For online and retail, you can either buy them through our online store, shopbrentwoodplastics.com. You get a twin pack for about $20, or you get them at retail. Suggested retail price is $9.95. So there you have it. Hope you like it. If you're interested, please go to shop.brentwoodplastics.com. Thanks for watching.